warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone.
Morning, Miss.
How are you today?
I'm green.
Wow, so excellent. What is our lesson now?
Our lesson now is English.
Nice. Okay. Do you know what is our title today?
No.
Okay. Today we will learn about. Hold on. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Simple past tense. Simple past tense. Okay. Have you ever heard the sentence in English that the end, a letter E and D at the ends? E and D, the letter E and D at the ends, yeah. If you have ever heard the sentence like that, so it means that you have to look and noun about simple past tense. Okay, hold on. Let's we start to learn it. Nice. Simple past tense. Okay. What is the definition of simple past? Nah, here past it means lampau. Apa?
Lampau.
Iya, past lampau ya. So, simple past ya is a sentence that explain about something in the past atau apa kejadian yang sudah lalu, sudah lampau, seperti itu ya. What the difference simple past and simple present? Apa perbedaannya?
Simple present.
Iya, betul. That's correct. Ya. Jadi for simple past ya, that explain about something ya that already happened in the past. Udah terjadi di masa lalu ya. For simple present ya, that happened right now, sekarang ya. Paham? Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Oke, jadi untuk simple past ini sendiri ya, dia dengan rumus seperti ini ya. That's all the formula of simple past ya. Jadi untuk simple past ada dua rumus ya. Ada yang namanya rumus verbal, ada nominal. Apa bedanya verbal dan nominal ya? Kalau verbal itu yang ada verbnya ya. Kalau nominal yang nggak ada verbnya. Oke? Nah, gimana Bu bedainnya Bu verbal itu sama nominal itu? Diperhatikan ya. Kalau untuk verbal biasanya dia itu ada verbnya. Dilihat, she bought a new book yesterday. For example like this ya. She di sini berperan sebagai
Subject.
book sebagai ya verb, and a new book sebagai
Object.
and yesterday
Complement.
ya, dia termasuknya komplement ya. Komplementnya apa? Keterangan waktu ya, kayak gitu. Nah, kenapa she bought a new book yesterday? Kenapa dikatakan dia sebagai verbal? Kenapa? Karena nice, ada kata ada book ya, ada kata book ya, ada verbnya, betul, nice, ada booknya. Sedangkan yang nomor 2, the case was hard to solve ya. Kira-kira di sini ada verbnya nggak? No, nggak ada ya. Hard itu apa? Hard itu adjektif. Apa adjektif? Kata
Sifat.
Kata sifat, betul. Kata sifat. Di sini nggak ada verbnya, adanya kata sifat ya. Kata sifat ini maka dia harus menggunakan was atau were. Menggunakan was atau were ditentukan dari subjek ya. Kalau subjeknya I maka was, you were, ya. I, you, they, we, she, it. Nah, itu subjeknya. Kapan pakai was? Yaitu I, she, he, it ya. I was, she was, he was, it was. Kapan pakai were yaitu you, they, we. Kapan you, they, we? You were, they were, we were. Nah, for here, the cast was hard. Kenapa pakai was? Karena Yap, cast ya. Cast itu apa? Kata benda it. Nice, good job ya. Ini adalah bentuk apa? Kalimat positif. Dalam bahasa Inggris ada 3 bentuk kalimat ya. Positive sentence, apa lagi? Negative sentence and interrogative sentence ya. For positive sentence sini ya itu subject plus verb 2 ya. Kalau nominalnya apa Bu? Subject was were plus nominal. Nominal itu apa Bu? Yaitu kata selain verb, yaitu bisa kata sifat dan lain-lain. Oke, paham ya? Ada pertanyaan?
No.
Tidak ada. Oke, nice. Good job. So, after you learn about simple past, who want to try make a sentence using simple past? Up your hand if you want.
Me, Miss.
Wow, yeah. Come on, Uchi.
Here.
Yeah? The time for yours. Come on.
Hello, friends. Here I will tell you my experience when I went to Bengkulu for a trip with my family last week. I started preparing at night so that in the morning the things we needed were already in the car. We arrived in the city around 8 a.m. and went to a restaurant for breakfast. After that, my sister and I played on the beach while my parents drank a cup of coffee. We went to the mall for shopping and stayed at a hotel. It was very fun and made me and my family relax. The next morning, we went home. Thank you.
Wow, applause for Uchi. Yay. That's so correct, Uchi. Ya ampun, excellent for you. Nice. For you all, do you understand about how to using simple past?
Yes.
Wow, okay, good job. Next, hold on. I have some what exercises for you all. Here, 5 questions. Nah, yeah. Open your book and let's try to answer these questions. 5 questions for you. Okay, maybe 5 minutes enough, right? Okay, nice. Let's start. Nah, Sister Uchi has tried to make a sentence from past tense. Who is want to make a new sentence?
Me, Miss.
Wow, yes, Zahir.
I sleep on the chair last night.
Wow, good job. Anything else? Anything else? Yeah, come on.
I bought the new books yesterday.
Yesterday. Apa artinya? Ya.
Membeli buku
Kamus baru kemarin. Okay, that's correct. Wow. Nice, nice, nice ya. Oke, berarti sudah paham semuanya tentang simple past. Gampang ya? Mudah bukan? Mudah. Yeah, that's so easy ya. Nice. Okay. Nah, so you have understand about simple past. Let's make a conclusion. Nah, oke, jadi untuk simple past digunakan untuk bentuk lampau. Iya, ya. Biasanya digunakan untuk bentuk lampau. Nah, bagaimana bentuk rumus daripada simple past?
Subject plus
verb to. Ya, itu untuk bentuk apa? Rumus verbal positif ya. Bagaimana rumus verbal negatif? Subject, did, not, verb,
one.
nice. Kalau bentuk interrogatif, verbal, gimana?
Did, subject, verb, one.
Good job. How about the formula of nominal sentence? Formula positifnya gimana?
Subject, was, were, nominal.
Good job. How about the negative sentence?
Subject, was,
or were,
not, verb, one.
Nice. Contoh dari interrogative sentence?
Was or were, subject, verb, one.
Okay, good job. Nah, so how about the past tense ya, bentuk verb 2 ya. Contohnya apa dari regular verb dulu?
Walk,
Played, stay. Good job. How about the irregular verb?
eat, ate, see, saw, see.
Else?
Drink, drank, drunk.
Wow, you so great. Applaud for us. Okay, until this, any question for me?
No.
No?
No.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, it is okay. If you have understand about the material, I think for today enough. Yeah. Don't forget to do your homework. Yeah. And when we meet again? Oh, tomorrow, right? Okay. See you tomorrow. Yeah. Don't forget to learn. Maybe enough? Okay. Thank you for your best attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.